Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj for 12th class physics video. Okay. Today we are going to make a video of class 12 physics. Okay. In this video we want to discuss about derivation of an electron revolving in the nth orbit of an atom. Okay, try to understand all the things which is given here. Okay, here in this case you should know this thing. You should know about an electron. Here in this case you should know about an electron. Okay, try to understand all the things which is given here. Today question is derive the expression for total energy of an electron revolving in nth orbit of an atom. But think, derive the expression for total energy of an electron revolving in nth orbit of an atom. Okay, here regarding electron you should understand, suppose this is an atom and in the nucleus you will observe that there is proton and neutron. An electron revolves around the nucleus. Okay, here we have to obtain expression for total energy of an electron. Okay, total energy of an electron in any orbit is the sum of the kinetic energy and potential energy. It means if you are knowing kinetic energy of an electron and potential energy of an electron, and if we will add these things, then we can get total energy of an electron. Okay, now let us start. Let Rn is equal to radius of nth orbit of an electron. Vn is equal to speed of electron in nth orbit. Ze is equal to charge on the nucleus of the atom. M mass of the electron, E charge of the electron. Now calculation. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Here V is Vn square, half mv square, mvn square. That is first. Here now next thing, Vn is equal to 2 pi kze square by nh. Here you are observing this is circumference. Electron is moving in if it is a circle, then it will be a circumference. Okay, try to understand. If it will revolve, it will be a circumference, and you know circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Okay, circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Here same thing from first and second. Now from first and second, this is first, this is second. Kinetic energy is half m v square. V is what? 2 pi kze by nh e square. 2 pi kze square by nh whole square. Then what will you get? Half k square z square e to the power 4 into 4 pi square m by n square h square. Okay, try to understand. Here kz square is e to the power 4 because e to the power 4, and also there is m, you have to write m. Okay, now next thing, radius. Rn is equal to n square h square by 4 pi square k m e square z. That is third equation. Here Rn is n square h square 4 pi square k m e square z. That is third. Here try to understand. You should keep in memory Vn, velocity, is equal to 2 pi kze square by nh. If you are keeping this thing in memory, then you are able to find the expression for total energy. Okay, what things? Vn is equal to 2 pi kz square by nh. Rn is equal to n square h square 4 pi square k m e square z, that is third. Now kinetic energy half k e square z by Rn. Okay, here you are putting value Rn is this value should put here, then finally what will you get? Kinetic energy is equal to half k e square z by R. Okay, there is no problem. Now next thing, potential energy. First thing is kinetic energy. Now next thing is potential energy. Potential energy of electron in the orbit of radius Rn. What thing? Orbit of radius Rn. Orbit, you are understanding, an electron moves around the circle. This path is an orbit. Potential energy is equal to kZe by Rn minus E. You know potential energy is equal to mgh. Here kZe by Rn minus E. Now next thing, that will be equal to minus kZe square by Rn. That will be equal to minus kZe square by Rn. Okay, minus kZe square by Rn. En is the total energy. Okay, what thing? En is the total energy. En is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. I have already discussed about this thing. If you want to get total energy, in this case you should get kinetic energy as well as potential energy, and if you will add these things, and then you can get what thing? Total energy. So here kinetic energy plus potential energy, it will give En. Okay, half, here kinetic energy is equal to what? Half k e square z by Rn. I have kept here, and also potential energy k minus kZe square by Rn. I have kept here. Now next thing, half kZe square by Rn. After subtracting here, you are observing kZe square, that is common, and Rn. Here half minus 1, then this will give what thing? This will give minus half kZe square by Rn, and finally minus half kZe square by n square h square 4 pi square k square m e square z square by using equation 3. Here you have to put the value of what thing? Rn. This value you should put here for getting En. It means total energy. What things? For En you have to put this value here. In this case here you have to put Rn value of Rn. Okay, you may put, and then finally you may write En is equal to minus half 4 pi square k square z square e to the power 4m by n square h square by using equation 3. Okay, this is the expression for total energy of an electron revolving in nth orbit of an atom. Here you should revise these things. Here I am telling you about who has invented or discovered all such of fundamental particles. Proton, neutron and electrons are fundamental particles of an atom. Here proton, who discovered proton? Goldstein. Neutron, who discovered neutron? Chadwick. And electron, finally third thing is electron, and third thing is electron, who discovered electron? J.J. Thomson. Okay, now here again I am repeating, and you are knowing this thing. Proton has positive charge, neutron has no charge, and electron has negative charge. Okay, try to understand all the things I have mentioned here, and in case of any problem you may send a message. Okay, I hope you are understanding this video, and also like my video, and subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj, so that you can get new video. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.